Okay, nothing mess at all. So now I'm good. And I'm making just a brown tire thing because, you know, kind of cool and I like spray painting. So all of this is why I looked on a video and just thought that I should know, you know, spray paint a gun. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna spray these two these the cocking thing, the two pieces of gun, the two guns, and the thing, the front, whatever, the part where, wow, I'm really getting mixed up. Okay, but I have to spray paint all black, and then when that is done, I gotta put this stuff on it. Gotta put it right here, and then I'm gonna spray paint it this color, which is brown. So it's glossy wood tone. It's not that good, but whatever. But this is really good. What I have to do is wait. Here, check if this is wet. Yeah, I guess it's wet. But yeah. But what I did is when this stuff, this is done, I'm gonna put it back in there. But when this is done, I'm gonna put it back in there when I'm all done with the actual project. Like when I spray paint it and put this on, first put this on and spray paint. What am I gonna say next? But yeah, I gotta put all this stuff together like this. Sorry. I'm very, you know, sugar. Whatever. This thing, the, trigger, this, where you just put that, and, what else? This, where you just spins, or, I don't know, and this, the thing that just cocks back. When you shoot it, it just, you know, goes like that. But yeah. What will I do? I don't know. I'm not sure though. But yeah, that's all I have to say. But yeah, bye. See ya.